Morning. Okay, we just hit the 70.2 and rejected. I need to get to a 5-minute chart. Okay. Oops. Go to high low. I'm going to extend this out. Let's go to 40. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. The reason why I took a short earlier was we came up to the 61.8 here and rejected down. Right. So I took this short. Where did I take it? 66.39 on ES. So you're not going to see it here, but anyway, it would have been a good trade. I wasn't interested in 5 points, so. All right, NQ's just above VWAP. ES is just hitting VWAP. And what I'm going to be watching is the 78.6 here at 553, roughly 552 and a half. See what it does. How's the volume today? There we go. So I'm going to watch that. It's basically all I got. We'll see what happens. We double bottom there right here from yesterday morning, double bottom here today, roughly. So that'll be a big number to get down below if we head back down that way. So we hit the 70.2 almost to the tick. That could be a rejection. I am playing the, I need to switch over. And, oh, shit. Well, we're open. I took the short, but I had some issues here. Huh. Apparently, I'm still in a short. Well, that's weird. From that 66.39.50. Never took me out. Huh. But yet it's not recording anything. That's weird. Oh, violent this morning. Very, very, very violent. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm going to get out here. I got a little bit of issue here. I got to disconnect everything real quick. Okay, slow down. Got to connect in the right order. Okay, let everything catch back up. There we go. There we go. Okay. Well, realistically, I wanted to be short at 33. I'm only at 26. I can still take that trade. Okay, we got 5 minutes left. We could get a pretty good retracement, 10 points. So I'm not going to take 10-point stop. So I'm going to might just jump out here. Fuck this all up. Okay. All right, we're kind of playing out that on that fib. Let me put this up. Oh, wrong thing. So on that fib, there you go. Came up to 70.2, rejected. We're already down here at the 23.6. So what I would do now is I would delete this. Okay, TCS just took a trade. Not in the place I wanted it to. Yeah, let's just fuck everything up this morning. Uh, Q. Guess I didn't learn my lesson from yesterday. Okay, so TCS is actually in a trade, in a short. All right. If we can come down and take out the lows, that'd be pretty cool. On NQ is what I'm looking at. We moved up, came up here. So now I'd like to see it come down. We're at the 70.2 now. Yeah, TCS took that trade right at the 61.8. Wow. I mean, it doesn't know, but it's just the way it is. So now we'd like to see it come down to here for sure. 363, at least I would. But you got to watch for a bounce here. It did what it was supposed to do. It came up to the 70.2 up here at the top and came down and hit the 70.2 here at the bottom. So we could get a bounce all the way up to 24,000, or I'm sorry, 24,450 now. Let's see what happens. $52. Oh, you fucker. All right, I accidentally closed it. Accidentally. Oh, a little low. Yeah. I don't know, dude. I got my volume, I mean, all the way up. Let me just check that real quick. So there we go. So anyway, try to get that up a little higher. Open threshold. I don't know what that is. Is that helping any better? Yeah, it's got a little louder. Okay, so if we come back down, we'll try this one again. There we go. NQ's down 138. We're still on a 5-minute fib. It's still potentially playing out. We can come up here to 459, 468. Coming back up, we retested the bull zone right here. That could have been the short right there. It's also the 61.8 at 450. $9.31, another good ES short from 34 to 22, 12 points, not bad. Had little difficulties with my accounts with the way that it's set up. For some reason, my my connections, when I got to do them in a certain order. Otherwise, my SIM accounts, which I use for Replicanto to get everything so that they can display and it puts it in the right accounts, because I have 4 different account setups to go to different accounts, or 4 different windows that go to the different accounts. Like some accounts I'll play, or some windows I'll play 4 different contracts. Some I'll play just 1. And so they're just different, and they have different windows, different ratios. So there you go. And if they're not in alignment, they don't work. All right, we just came up to the 78.6 there at 468. Normally I would probably try for that short. But let me look at a 15-minute chart here. Yeah, it's a little bullish. But all right, we're back up to the 468. I don't know. If I take my blinders off, it says go long. So, oh, good thing I didn't do that. Whew, that was close. Okay, there's that rejection at the 468. So now what you're looking for is 343 on the downside if we continue. Wow. I just don't want to jump in here, but I'm going to. Oh. $343, right? Got a big gap up above us all the way up to 449. I just won't learn, Michael. I just won't learn. Still a good rejection at the 78.6 on the move down. Well, actually, I'm sorry, on the 5-minute fib. So this is what I was looking at. Put a fib on the from the low down to, or the high down to the low. And then what you do is you look for a move, ideally up, well, to one of these locations, right? 78.6 is the best spot, and you take the short, and then your goal and your target is down here. So see if we head there. Yeah, I know. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we're coming up on that 343. Just about tagged it. I'm going to get out just because we could bounce there. What did we get to? 45? Well, almost like I drew it out. I just couldn't play it. Got the move up. Perfect spot. Got the move down. Almost hit target. I mean, obviously, if you would have been down here waiting, that would have been 470 down to, that would have been 100 points. I got to wait for a move up now. I don't think we're going to get it though. All right, we just hit the 343. Give up. You see, it did come down and hit target. Almost got stopped out. Got 50 and 28. Great. Okay, let's see if we go down and take out that double bottom. Right around 325-ish. Coming back up to opening range on ES. Some big gaps up there. Always got to remember, it only takes one good trade and it'll take you right out of this. It'll take me right out of my little funk I'm in. I hate to take the fucking low. Gosh damn it. I got nothing else. I could have taken that short up there at 621, but I elected not to. We're coming up on that double bottom area. I think if we lose that, it could be a nice little push down. We got yesterday's low at 66.1175. That's actually could be the potential first target. NQ is at 24,326.75, and we're getting really close. So that's where that double bottom happened this morning. The low there was on NQ 319. So that's what they're looking to break. I'm ready to take 10 short here just because I'm so pissed on how everything went this morning and how it developed. But I'm going to just maintain. All right, so the 5-minute fib is over. It came down below the 50%. It could still hold there, I guess. But generally, when you exceed that, you're pretty much done. So we could get a bounce here. They could play around. We just took out yesterday's low. See if we can take out that 19 area. Let's see if ES can take out yesterday's low at 66.11. We're down 46 points, down 250 on NQ. This may just be a low day today. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we took out the 19 area. Let's see if we bounce now. So ES is coming up on its low from yesterday at 11.75. See if we can take it out. Okay, I'm going to look for 20 points. That's what I'm set up for, 20 points. There we go. Here, let me fix this too. Didn't have everything showing. There we go. Okay, we're getting ready to get a new 15-minute candle. I wouldn't be surprised for us to come back up and retest yesterday's low, both on NQ and ES. That was also an hourly low and a 4-hour low at 24,325-ish, 26. So I wouldn't be surprised to get a move back and retest. Okay, I'm going to drop this down. So it's a good chance we come back up. So at least I'll get 5 or 6 points. So 95 is my target. I'm going to put a little line there. And then I'm going to move him down. So 500 would be 10 points. Roughly right around there. Okay. Let's see. Is this ES? Yeah. 09. 0950. Yeah, we could be coming back up, retest that. Oh, don't tell me you're going to push up now. Okay, if we come back down, I'm going to add one. And I'll take one off where I wanted to. So good retest of yesterday's low. Come on now. Keep going down. Let's go. I'm going to take, obviously I have to take one off here. Damn it. Yep. Getting out. I'm in a foul mood too. Damn it. Come on, SPY. Get up to 654. Here's what I'll do. Let's add one. There we go. Sim display. Perfect. So the correct entry for me should have been at 66.19. And technically still in the trade. Unless we close out this 2-minute candle or this 1-minute candle greater than 612. Let's call it. So I'm going to play this. Five seconds left. 7 minutes on the 15-minute. See how that plays out. Come on, take out the low. $19. And we came down 19 points. Okay. This might be it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Three minutes, 50 seconds left on the 15. Kind of need this thing to push down, otherwise maybe we just get a little doji looking 15-minute candle. Yeah, come up and take me out, you cock fuck. Apex. All right, we came down to bear target 1. Are we going to bounce or are we going to fly through it? And we got a gap fill all the way up to 03 again. Let's see if they can keep it down below 6,600. Okay. Okay, I'd like to get down to, I don't know, shit. If we can get down to 87, I'd be pretty happy. Okay, my original 95 target was hit. Come on, baby, one more drop. Could do it. It could do it. Let's go. I need just $200 more. Come on. Trying to get to around 500 on one of these accounts. Come on. So I can at least unplug it. One drop. 89. Give me 89. Come on. Pretty close. Oh, little flush. Get down target 2. Give me target 2 at 87. Now we're going to bounce before that. All right, I'll take that 93 if I get it. Yeah. All right. Oops. Missed my exit there. Damn it. Come on. I wanted 87. Let's see. Get that one. I could probably get this one going. There we go. Okay, new 15 came out 2 minutes ago. We could be getting close to bounce area. I got to be careful of that. Yeah, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to say that's good enough. And 50. For some reason, my thing keeps going and defaulting to 0 or nothing. No ATM strategy. Not sure why. It's got to be a setup. Oh, I'm not showing anything. Oh. Let me close that and reopen it. There you go. Come on. Okay, 15 minutes, got 11 minutes left. Okay, we got a kind of a double bottom on NQ. I'm going to switch over to NQ. This trade's going to continue until It's not. But on NQ, copy. You got kind of like a little double bottom here. So copy. All right, so there it is. That's where I'd be looking for some support. These are our setup. So okay, both about the same. So those are hour and 4 hour lows. So potential bounce areas, double bottom, whatever. So that's what I'd be watching for in NQ. Somewhere around 24,202, 24,210, give or take 1 or 2, 5 points. We also have the 150%. You can see we bounce right at the 38.2, which is always interesting to me, based on this move up. Okay, that's why I leave it on usually. Based on that last move up, we exceeded the zero line, came down. I don't know if I'm exactly correct at 39. That low was 40, so I could be off here a little bit or at the high. But we came right at the 38.2 and bounced. Let's see if we can continue down. That's the big question. Looks like we're positioning for, kind of looks like we're going to bounce. That's what it looks like to me. I'm going to tighten my stops up, which generally means I'll probably get stopped out. But it looks like they're going to try to hold it here for a little while. Yep, just took me out. Oh. I took some profit on my SPY puts, so I'm going to just put in a stop just to, so I don't have to worry about it. Oh, you fucker. Came out, took me out. If I'd have stayed where I was, I would have been safe. Good chance we still come down to the 87 area. 5 points. Motherfucker. Well, that was a good one. There's 50. Oh, one's still in. I'm on NQ. Let's show ES. Okay, you're watching this account, which is at 0. The other one's up a little bit. We're going to watch NQ for that double bottom area. First one, actually, the target, bear target 2 is 24,218. That's probably a pretty good target. Same with ES being down here around 87. Oh, come on. Don't tell me you just trapped me. Did you just trap me? 6 seconds left, or 6 minutes to go on the 15. Yep, I think I just got trapped. Motherfucker. I think I got trapped. They say if you don't know where the trap is, then you're probably in it. I would have liked to hit that target too, man, at 65. 87. Just because I like it when things work the way it's supposed to. So right now, let me see. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to select that, Control Copy. Okay, so there's bear target 2 right there, I think. Yep, bear target 2. So that's where my target was. I was hoping we were going to get down there, but it looks like I maybe got trapped. We're going to go up for a few minutes here. Take out some stops, like mine. Here's Control Copy. Here's bear target 1 is right there, right above us. There you go. Give it a little context. Oops. Control Copy. Can I move that? I think it's locked. Yeah. Let's see if I can move it. Nope. Doesn't look like it. Oh, it's locked. There we go. Just unlock it. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to put that guy there. I'm going to unlock this guy. Put him over here. There we go. See, I'll just line these two up. There we go. All right. Okay, 3 minutes left on the 15. Like I said, it looks like they're trying to hold it. So if this thing closes green, $295 on NQ would be a new high, taking out the prior high. So that would be a 66.01 on ES. So if we get above 01, they're going to take her up. Looks like they might take her up now. So that would be 9 points. I'm not really interested in taking that high of a fucking thing. 54. Yeah, I'm in the right spot. Okay. We'll let her go. 2 minutes, 33 seconds. We're kind of flattening out here on the 5 minute. You can see right here on the 5 minute how we're just kind of not doing anything. So if I was gonna, well, I wouldn't put the 5 minute in a box, but I'll put the 1 minute in a box and just kind of, let's see what that looks like. So we dip down. There's the low and there's the high. It's actually a little bit higher. There we go. Okay, so this is my 1 minute box. I'll share with all the charts. Maybe I will put this to 50 so you can see it. There we go. So I'll drop out the bottom of the box right around 589.75, and hopefully we can come down to the 587, but it's struggling. It doesn't want to go down there. It's saying, look, there's an abyss down there. I don't want to go there. If I go there, this won't be good. So ES, Control Copy. Here's a good line here. Apparently I already had it in here. There we go. That line there was support, and you can see how we tried to run it over, try to wear it out. And then we got another one down here, control copy, right there. So that's technically, my stop should actually be right up there. So what's that number? I'm going to go with 83.50. Let me change them on both contracts. Oh, 83.50. Well, it might get stopped out here. It doesn't matter. There we go. Yeah, it looks like they're okay. So we got a new 15 out. That should have been an inside bar. It is. So we got two insides on NQ. I'm going to play the 15-minute, maybe. Okay, not going to play that. I don't know if I have time. Yeah, I'll play. What the hell? I'm going to get taken out of my ESs. Yep.
Inside bar, entry.
Okay. So NQ. See if we can get a quick run up. Little push up. Or is it just a doom and we're going to lose? I'm only going to take a 20-point stop. Oh, 22 contracts going. Okay, wow, something happened here. Fucker. What can I do here? Come on. Coming up on 19 is target. Oh. All right, I want to be out of this. I thought it was an NQ. Didn't quite get there. Got up to 12. See if we can get 19. Come on, baby. So close yet so far. Got to take out that previous high of 12. Let's go. Push it. There we go. Come on. Let's get above 8 first. 850. And then 12. And then cruise up to 19. There you go. One more time. There you go. You can do it. Nope. No, maybe you can't. It's trying. It's trying.
Target filled.
There we go. Uh-oh. Still got some accounts going. Oh, it didn't take out that last one. That's why. There we go. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Well, at least something worked there. Oh, that was the 5-minute and the 15. Oh, okay. I didn't even see it. Ciao. All right. Let's see if I can get these guys back up here. All right, let's see. NQ. Let's go back to ES. Coming back, retest the top of that box at 66.01. We're down 59 points and 290 on NQ. So I don't know if I'm looking for I'm not real interested in the longs. I mean, I took it there just because of the inside bar. It was a good trade. But I might try a short here. I don't really like it yet, so I think I'll just wait. I would like to come down and hit that target of 65.87. Huh. And all my little deals disappeared, huh? Yep. So, control copy. There you go. Control copy. There you go. Coming down below bear target 2 or bear target 1. Control copy. And control copy. And there. Oh shit. What am I doing here? Oh, okay. Okay, I don't want to move back above 02. That would not be good, probably. Did they trap me again? Maybe. Maybe. Could have got me again. I really don't want to take that stop way up there. Damn it. Three. Okay. All right, I'm going to get out. Potentially. Back above 602. Yeah, could have just been the 5-minute drop down, huh? Okay, so 1031. We had a long, could have entered in at 6,600. Oh, and you would have stopped out right there at 6,600. But then you could have re-entered right here at 02 because we went back above. And my stop obviously will be a close below 6601. So I'm more interested in a short than I am a long, but the long's there. Let's see what SPY's doing. All right, so we close below, so my stop is going to be right now, right there now. What the hell is going on here? Everything's all whacked out. Okay, watching this 15-minute bar, it's green and it's above the prior 15 minutes, so you almost have to be long. I think with a stop somewhere down in here, maybe even right there. With the game plan to go short if we get taken out. Three seconds. Oh, that was quick. Okay. That was fairly quick. All right, 41 seconds left on the 15. Your hands. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. Don't like it. Oh, fucker. All right, they're holding it. They're going to try to get the squeeze going. Got to get above 66.11. Okay. Shitty, shitty, shitty. Actually, I'm okay. I've got a couple accounts that are green, and I'm okay with those. The other ones are red. One by a lot. Probably going to lose him in a minute here. As soon as I take this next trade. And I don't care. It's okay. See if we can drop below bear target 1. Right there. Let's get rid of the box. Even though we're back in the box at the high. Using it as support. $15 just not going anywhere. Look at all the 5-minute candles. Just sideways. So just a nice bear flag. Can't get up. We're just kind of loading it out. So I guess the smart thing to do would be don't do anything until we get above here or below there. On this guy, it looks a little rougher. Something like that. Q. Put that across my charts. Let's see what he's doing. Oops. Oh, he's playing golf today. All right, new 5-minute out. I'm going to look at NQ. Oh, I got the NQ right there. That's good enough. Go back to ES. Okie dokie. Well, not sure why that didn't show. I took a short on NQ. I'm not sure why it's not displaying though. I'll figure it out here in a second. Oh, that's why. I'll add one. There we go. Now it's showing up. At least the one is. I'm taking one off at 42 if we get there. I'm not sure which one that's going to be. The one that's being displayed or the other one. Close that gap right where I entered. Probably going to go up higher. Oh. Right here. Taking one off at 241. We get there. We came down to 245. Come on, a little more. There we go. All right, one off. That helped. Looking for the next target down here at 218. Okay. ES hit bear target 2. And NQ did not. NQ's bear target 2 is 219. So I'm going to take this and maybe just lock in 241 amount. Okay, that helped that account, that's for sure. Okay, come up here to 55.93. See if we can close that gap. That was also IB down there. Let's see if we can retest IB on NQ, which is about 270. Wait a minute, what? 270. Now you have it here at 240. That's weird. I'm going to try that. Oh, let me close that real quick. I need to change that to ES. Again, that's it'll bounce bear target 2. That's weird. Oh, that's fine. IP's 240. I was looking at the wrong thing. What do you know? Okay, down 62 points on ES and over 300 on NQ. We've got 1 minute left on the 15. This could have been a little 1 minute push up. I'm going to try a little short here just because. And I'll put my stop right there, a little 2-point stop. Maybe it should be a little higher. See if we can get a little push down in the last 30 seconds. Doesn't look like we're going to get any push down. So as soon as this 15-minute loads, probably take me out really quickly. All right, all I'm doing is wasting money and wasting time. So we're holding. We're still in this little 5-minute gap range. There we go. Looks like we're going to try to push out now. Just took out prior 15-minute high. NQ's got to get above 323. ES above 610, 611. But you can see it's just kind of hanging out here. Trying to get above this prior low, hour low. Could have been hour, 15 minutes. There you go. It was the hours. If it gets above there and above this 25-minute 20 EMA, we could probably push up, get a little squeeze going. ES is going up to the 1-minute weighted moving average, which is at 66.07. Here, let me get the 2-minute. Here you go. Oh, shit. Control copy. So this is the 1-minute weighted. Well, it's not. On ES, it's way up there. Okay, so I need, I think it's around 61. There you go. That one's a little bit too much. '07, probably 13 would have been better. But if you go to NQ, control copy, I'll put it on this chart actually. See that, how we rejected? I call this the 1-minute 40-point move. Come up rejected. So 316, I'd be looking for, I'm going to just jump in real quick. 316. Oh, we already made the move. Come on, keep going. Give me some points so I can get out. Feel that gap, come back down. Anyway, 260, 273 was the target. You can see we exceeded it, but it's a nice little play. NQ, 1-minute 40-point move. We haven't been there in a while, I don't think. Let's see. Nope, last time we were there was 9:46 this morning, and look at that rejection. Obviously, it was pretty good, but there we go. Right at 45, came up above it, which is what you want to see. You come up above it, come back down below it, take the short. Your stop is the prior high, and let's see where we went. We went from 461. That's 50 points right there. And we're continuing to come down. Okay, back to IB. We come back down below IB, I'll take the short. Let's see if we can fill that 1 minute gap up there at 262. Got 10 minutes left on this 15. Let's go to NQ real quick. 854. Oops, no. ES, let's go to NQ. There we go. Okay, so we got to close. I'll take an entry there. If we get there. Oh, come on back down. Come on back down. Take one off if we, obviously, if we come back down. Fucker. Come on. All right, I'm going to reduce my risk here. Whenever I say that, it's just like, well, dude, why don't you just close the trade? Because every time you do that, you fucking get stopped out. Let's go. Come on, get back down there. There we go. All right, now I'll reduce my risk. See if I can get a little bit more out of it. There we go. Come on. Take the short, blow this up a little bit. We haven't hit bear target 2 on NQ yet. That's where I'd like to go. Took one off, added one. See if it plays. I wouldn't mind adding another one there at IB. 240. 240. Come on. Oh. All right, I still like the trade. 15 minutes still looks good. 5 minutes to go. This could just be a little 5-minute pump up. Don't really care for the 5-minute candle per se. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Where's the NQ 5 minutes? Let's see if it pushes up. All right, I'll go back to ES. Just garbage time. Here's the 5-minute chart. You can see we're just kind of just going sideways. Even though we did break that trend line, got a nice push down. Just no follow through. It's Friday. Maybe this is where they keep it. We just kind of do one of these numbers. I mean, you're already down 300 on NQ, 57 on ES. I wouldn't mind getting to like 100 on ES, but I don't think we're going to go there. The war continues, oil keeps going up, they're going to throw us into a recession. I mean, that's what's going to happen. So then the market will come down. Just how much, I don't know. But we're getting pretty close to, I think, on Elliott waves, on probably the completion of the 5-wave move down. We didn't get really a wave 4, though. That's the only really little problem I have. Yeah, maybe we did. No, not on the 1 minute. Had a pretty good afternoon yesterday. Nice comeback. Let's see. So it could be, I got a little cheap Elliott wave system on my trading view. And it shows completion of the 5 waves, 2 of 2, 3 of 3, and then we get a little ABC correction. We took out the November lows, right in there. So now the question will be is, do we get a bounce up? Oops. Actually, I could do better than that and do something like this. I would have 2 of them, something like that. See if we can run up here, play around in here, and then take the final leg down, or this was the final leg, and now we're going to get a push up. That's the big question everybody's asking. Nobody knows. I guess a lot will have to do with the war. See what happens. All right, I'm tired. I got to go walk around. Come back after 1. See what we do. See what happens during lunchtime. All right, thanks for stopping by. My numbers don't look good, but that's okay. There's some that are good. So 442, 120, 38. So I got a couple, 3 of them that were good, and then I have some ones that are pretty bad. I'm going to lose. Well, I lost 1, and I lost 2. Yep, 1 and 2. That's all right though. It happens. I'm not broken up about it. All right, have a good weekend. Be safe. Hopefully nothing crazy happens over the weekend. And we just get a market that continues to do what it's doing, which is giving us opportunities. When I go back through and look at 950, or even, yep, 951 was a great short. And that's pretty much what it gave you. From 950, so that would have been 66 right here. My short would have been right there on the 1 minute at 66.19. And the stop, well, if I played it by the rules, it would have been 6,600. So it would have been 19 points. But 19 down to 90, which would give you 29 overall. So you could have taken at least 20, which was what my goal was, which is what I ended up taking, I think, on the original. I'll have to go back through and look, but I think I got 19 points or something. Problem is I had some technical difficulties. in the beginning. Pretty standard for me. So, all right, ciao. Have a good weekend. So I can get out of here. Oh, my screen just went blank, so apparently it doesn't want me to go anywhere yet. There we go.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading